That's a supercharger. Before we review this beautiful Hellcat, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. If you want to support us, we do have merchandise from keychains, hats, the whole 9 yards. Let's go into review. Let's talk about the overall condition of this beautiful Hellcat. I would give this one a 9 out of 10. That's a 90% out of 100, essentially in excellent overall shape. So you have your satin black spoked wheels with your Brembo 6-piston calipers up front. You have your Hellcat insignia. You have your 2 snorkels up here. And this motor makes the best sound ever when you're getting on it, and we're gonna show you that later on. One thing to note, this is completely ceramic coated, so it has I think it's 5 years for the ceramic coating. The paint is extremely nice. There are no swirls. I want you guys to look at our gallery to see how beautiful this car is. Rear quarters are very nice. All your inner plastics are in great shape. I don't think anybody's done a burnout in it, so I don't know if we're gonna do that today, but we'll see what happens. Front fascia is very nice, no rock chips throughout. Small scraping on just the plastic splitter, but overall very nice condition. You do have your snorkels for the front and then up here as well. Panel fitment's nice, rubbers look really nice. Let me open up the hood really quick and we'll take a look at the power plant. Under the hood, you have a 6.2 liter Hemi. You have your orange valve covers, 707 horsepower, factory intake box. All of your plastics look good. The hood condition is nice. A little bit of tarnishing right here I see on the actual top portion of the hood, but overall very nice shape. Modifications here, let's see. So they did new catalytic converters in 2021 for it, and it was done at the dealer. So this is an authorized modification from Dodge or Mopar. Insulation's very nice. Supercharger still has a factory pulley on it. Clean machine. Looking at the rear, very nice. I love the illuminated taillights. You have your SRT badging right here, your reverse camera. The bumper condition, very, very nice. There's no discoloration on the plastic. You have your satin wing, and then you do have your black chrome tips, which look fantastic. Let's pop it. Trunk opens up nicely. We do have the red key along with an additional black key. Inside here, you're gonna have the information from the factory. You can have your front mounting plate as well, and then we do have receipts from the dealer from when it was serviced. Underneath here, let's see if I can pull it up nicely. Underneath here you have your Harman Kardon subwoofer setup. So you have 2, I believe, 10-inch subwoofers back here. Your battery is located back here and it's nice and clean. Also has a tire pump. Beautiful condition. Let me close it. Let's take a look inside. Looking at your interior, it's extremely nice. Your steering wheel is in great shape. I do love the 10 and 2 bulge right here, so you have a nice grip. You do have all your controls. You have your SRT button right here. You also have your launch button. Your sunglasses slider still operates. Lights still operate inside. And then your navigation. So if I push the clutch in and tap it once, you'll have everything light up. Speedometer sweeps, RPM sweeps. Obviously, if I close this, the chime will turn off. And the second part, oh yes, red key in use. Let's go have some fun. Open up that door. So it's got a half a tank of gas, but it shows 30-mile range.
Hellcat life.
Second gear, clutch is very easy. You could drive this every day. Fourth gear is at 2,000 RPM. Let's see what 6th gear is. 6th gear, 1,100 at 48 miles an hour. Just downshifted. Oh yeah. Into 4th. We're gonna take it right here. I'll just roll into it in second so you can hear that supercharger out of the 6.2 liter Hemi. All right, let's see how she does. Well, that does what it's supposed to do. Brakes are even. This thing's amazing. you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. So this is going to have 2 consecutive bumps and a big dip, so you can see how the suspension reacts. Let's put the lights on. Here comes the first set of bumps. No issues. Big dip. Suspension's nice and tight. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you know what to do. I'm out of here. Oh yeah. Beauty. Want to hear that supercharger.